Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week. Today we had a bank holiday in the US, but we managed some good PPs at the London morning session and the Asian session. Let me share with you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If Euro USD, if you look at the 4-hour chart, and last week, as you have seen my previous analysis, if you haven't seen it, video link is also given in the video description. We were short, bank beautiful pippies, and at the Asian session, price nicely respected the support level. We have a long trade here, and even if you look at this candle, it's looked like a morning star pattern is developed. So we had a beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, we banked beautiful pips, and afterwards we have a short trade here. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, both long and short. If you look at the Euro USD, as you can see here, the price was as the major support level in 4-hour at this level. And if you look at here, the price developed a triple bottom here in intraday. And this was a pretty straightforward breakout long trade here, and we managed beautiful pips. That was a beautiful pips and bank beautiful pips. And afterwards, as you can see here, price nicely respected this resistance, and we were expecting another possibility of short trade here, which we analyzed the market. We had this breakout, price nicely broken and beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the previous low again, then we bank amazing profit here. So afterwards, the market is consolidated. As you know, there's a bank holiday in the US, so we haven't seen any volatility, as you can see here. So we're still waiting for this analysis to be validated. As you can see here, we are looking this breakout opportunity on Euro USD. We'll let you know tomorrow, guys. And if you look at the cable Pound Dollar, and we had a long trade at the market open, bank beautiful pips, and still waiting for this another pattern to break out. That was the beautiful breakout long trade at the Asian session. You can see symmetric triangle pattern. As you can see here, the price nicely respected this previous high in 4-hour. That was a beautiful long trade here, bank beautiful pips here. And at the New York session, as you can see, there's no volatility because of the bank holiday in the US. Dollar CAD, again we had this breakout short trade here. Afterwards, again you can see no volatility, and we are looking this symmetric triangle pattern breakout still pattern is still valid. If you look at, this is the only counter short trade we had it on Dollar CAD. As you can see here, that was a beautiful breakout. So right now we are looking this symmetric triangle pattern breakout. As you can see, there's no volatility because of the bank holiday. We'll let you know tomorrow, guys. Otherwise, we had a beautiful trade, short trade on Euro Yen, and you can see here we had a beautiful, let me share with you there, that was a beautiful trade here. You can see here, that was the London morning session analysis. A beautiful breakout and beautiful trade here, as we seen in 4-hour, and the price nicely respected this resistance level. After this candle, we had beautiful breakout and price nicely hit to the profit target. That was the beautiful trade here. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time, alongside with a live audio commentary support and banking profit in real time. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis with a live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.